I think today pharmaceutical companies are waking up to reality that a big part of their competition is going to be nutrition. Part of it is COVID, and part of it is cost, and part of it is lack of trust in pharmaceutical companies. In many cases, people call them the mafia. All right. I mean, no offense intended here, guys, but it is part of the truth. But in all fairness, there are a lot of OTC products. I wouldn't say brands, but products that really delivered, and it's good to have them off the shelf. I want to give this example of this liver thing. It's not an OTC, obviously, but it's interesting because the way it was marketed at that time, and I think I picked that up over a magazine. I was flying, I think, to Zurich maybe 10 years ago, and I mean, as you see, it's cracking a bit because I actually tore it off the magazine, and this was a two-pager insert in this magazine, and it had just, as you say, mapping out the lifestyle of a person that would require this medicine. I think this is probably the best marketing versus a product manager going to visit a doctor and telling him, hey, we're going to give you this incentive if you write this kind of medication from our company. But in reality, you are directing this to the patient. Yes, they would realize that they have issues with the food, the fast pace and stress of their lifestyle. Maybe the medication that they're taking is chronic or not. We don't know the level, but they do know that they are sick. And then the quality overall of life, the water, the air they're breathing, and so forth, plus weight issues. In a lot of cases, this would be a dump on the liver, and therefore you need that. They did not go into specifics of, chemicals or ingredients or whatever. This is not a medical talk. This is a human talk. And as long as the narrative or pharmaceutical companies and their agents is directed truly only to chemicals and things the doctors can understand, I don't think they have a fair share of what is happening in the market today as I'm speaking. Yes, the biggest trend is healing through food. It's not about medicine anymore. People are dumping that for a better health, a better source, going back to nature, feeling grounded, and this is the way forward. There's a lot of new innovation within this format of food and medicine, and what they call superfoods and whatever. It has been going on for 10 years. It's not like it's a new thing suddenly, but it has been enhanced because of COVID and because of a lot of fake reports and researches that is popping out old social media, and a lot of influencers who have lost trust of the public. So to me, the narrative needs to change. In fact, you should not have a product manager, you should have a brand manager. And I think mostly your new hires should be from the fast moving consumer goods industry in consumer pharma and OTC, or if you're a pharmacy that you want to do your own private label, or even a new investor coming into the market. So I hope that you get the point about talking to the consumer, understanding the pain point, and how that will make a difference in their lives.